Dead motorcycle, jumper cables, big old truck. What could possibly go wrong, and how do we put this all together to get our bikes back on the road again? My name is Adrian from YouMotorcycle. I make videos aimed at helping motorcyclists, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to jumpstart your motorcycles the safe way, because there's a common mistake people make and it can do some damage. Here's how to do it the right way. Let's start with the obvious. Yes, you can jumpstart your motorcycle with a car or truck. They both use a 12-volt battery system. Likewise, you can also jumpstart a motorcycle from another motorcycle if you want to, or even an ATV. Just remember that bigger vehicles like a car, or especially this truck, are going to put out a lot more power than what your motorcycle is designed to handle. So when you're doing this, you should leave the car turned off. Do not have the car or truck running. If you do decide to try and jumpstart from another motorcycle of a similar size, you'll probably want the second motorcycle running to avoid two flat batteries. Okay, now let's talk about what to do. First, you'll hook up the two positive clamps to your car battery and then to your motorcycle battery. Be careful not to accidentally touch the frame with any of the clamps, as your motorcycle's frame acts as a ground. Second, clamp to your dead motorcycle's positive terminal. Third, clamp to the healthy vehicle's negative battery terminal. Fourth, clamp to an unpainted part of your motorcycle's chassis, preferably away from the battery and any spilled gas or other flammable fluids or gases, as you may get some sparks. Now that everything is connected, remember to keep your car turned off. Your car battery has more than enough capacity to get your motorcycle going without leaving the car stranded. Don't worry about that. Now just try and turn your motorcycle on. Hopefully it will fire right up, and if it does, that's awesome. Leave it running. With your bike still running, disconnect the negative terminals first, then disconnect the positive terminals. Now you're going to want to get home as soon as safely possible, ideally without stalling your motorcycle or turning it off again. When you get home, the first two things you're going to want to do is use a motorcycle-specific battery trickle charger to charge up your battery, and watch my video on how to test your motorcycle battery and charging system. We're going to try and figure out what the problem was. We test our batteries because we don't want to have to buy a new motorcycle battery if we don't need to. But at the same time, we don't want to have the battery be good enough just to fire up our motorcycle the first time and leave us stranded down the road later on. And the last thing you want to do is test your charging system. That's because often your charging system can be the reason why your motorcycle battery has failed you. And just because your motorcycle battery passes the test, or because you bought a brand new one, doesn't mean you're going to be safe. If you have a problem with a regulator rectifier, with a stator, some kind of charging system issue, your brand new battery even could just end up failing on you again because it's not being recharged. Testing that is super easy, and my video will show you exactly how to do it. It's pretty quick too. So again, I'm Adrian from YouMotorcycle. I make videos that help motorcyclists. If you found this helpful, please do me a solid, hit the like button. I would really appreciate your support. If you want more videos that help motorcyclists out with tips like these, please hit subscribe. And let me know, was this helpful to you? I would love to hear what you have to say. As always, ride safe, but have fun. Peace.